In this screencast I'll show you how to differentiate and integrate a signal within your Simulink simulation. So here we have a basic setup of a sine wave generator, amplitude 1, frequency 1, and that's linked up to a scope. And if we run this, we'll see a nice sine wave, but the purpose of this screencast is to show you how to add in extra functionality where you can differentiate a signal and integrate a signal. So if we click on the library and click on the continuous option, then we can put this derivative block on, and we don't have to fill that in, we can just click escape, and we can link this up to the sine wave generator. To do this we have to click on the input arrow and then drag that up to the line there, and that is now providing us with a connection into this. To add an extra port to the scope, we right click and then go to signals and ports. Number of input ports, we'll set that to 2, and then we can link this up so that we'll see what's happening, and we'll run the simulation, click on the scope, and now we can see the yellow line is the sine wave that's been generated, and the blue one is the derivative of that that's been worked out for us using this derivative function. We can also add an integrating function. So again, if we go to the continuous functions and click on this block here, we can drag and drop that, and the initial condition is just we've got 0 area to start with, and again we can link this up by clicking on the input here and linking that up to the signal from the sine wave, and again right click, signals and ports, we'll change the number of inputs to 3 this time, and then we can link this up here, and we can run this, look at the scope, and again we've got the yellow line which is the sine wave, the blue line which is the derivative, and now we've got this orangey red line that is the integral of the yellow line. So overall, that is how you can integrate and differentiate signals within your Simulink simulation.